Good day, my viewers. You are welcome again to my channel. I want us to quickly consider this problem. The problem says that if root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 plus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 10, we are asked to find a minus b, and these are the options. So how do we solve that? So solution. So how do we approach this? What we are going to do, we are going to multiply by the conjugate of what? Conjugate of root 5 plus root 2. Conjugate of this number simply mean the same number, but the sign will change to what? Negative. If it is negative, it will change to plus. So that is what we are going to use to multiply numerator and the denominator. So multiply numerator and what? Denominator by root 5 minus what? Root 2, and that is the conjugate of the denominator. So let's do that. So we are having root 5 minus root 2. So multiply by this one. Let me put it root 5 minus root 2. So if we do that, what you use to multiply up must multiply the denominator 2 plus root 2. So it's still multiplying the denominator minus root 2. So now let's multiply the up. The up, let me do it here. Root 5 minus root 2 times what? Root 5 minus root 2. So let's multiply. Root 5 multiplied by root 2. That is the same thing as square root of 5 times 5, which is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Then root 5 times minus root 2. That is the square root of what? 5 times 2. So this has multiplied, it has multiplied. I'm using this now. Minus root 2 times root 5. That will give me minus what? 2 times what? 5. So then lastly, this one will times this. Minus times minus plus. Then root 2 times root 2. That is root 2 times 2. Root 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 4 is what? Is 2. So that will now I can now collect the like time. 5 plus this 2. Then minus 5 times 2, 10. Minus what? 2 times 5, 10. So this is going to be 7 minus root 2 minus root 2. That is 2. That is minus root 10. So meaning everything up here is what? 7 minus root 10. So it means that we have 7 minus root 2, 7 minus 2 root 10 rather, divided by, we are going to use difference of 2 square to solve it. Difference of 2 square, say when we have a square minus b square, the result is what? A plus b, and what? A minus b. So this is exactly what we have here. The only, this root 5 root 2, root 5 root 2, the only difference between them is plus and minus. Plus and minus, these are the same. So we are going to express this as what? Using this difference of 2 square, then minus root what? Root 2 square. So square will cancel square root, square will cancel square root. Then we now have this. So that will lead us to 7 minus 2 root 10 over 5 minus 2. So that will leave us to 7 minus 2 root 10 over what? 3. I can now split this so that it will look like this, so that a will stand alone. So if I split this fraction into 2, I'm going to have 7 over 3 minus 2 over 3 root 10. It therefore means that this is what? This is a compared to this. So a is what? 7 over 3. Then b is what? Minus 2 over 3. So we can now find what the answers to look for, which is a minus b. So which is a is what? 7 over 3. Then minus, what is our b? Minus 2 over 3. So we have 7 over 3 minus times minus plus 2 over what? 3. So this is, since they are the same, you take the 3, then you add the numerator. So that will give us 7 plus 9. 7 plus 2, that is 9 over 3. So our final answer will be what? 9 divided by 3 is 3. So our answer is 3, which make option C to be the right answer. Thank you for watching, and God bless us.